Today is Sunday, and it is supposed to be a snow day, snowstorm outside, and you can see the condition of the window, the outside. Supposed to be 20 to 30 centimeters of snow. My car is completely covered up. I'm trying to open the front door. Trees are completely covered. You can see the drizzle. We still have snowfall right now. This is the condition of my patio. Oh my god, look at that. There's so much snow. Just open the door. Everything in my patio is covered. Look at my car. Look at this. Who's going to say that this is my patio? Oh my god.